In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add demo account in Tradingview. If you are new to charts or just want a safe place to practice without risking real money, Tradingview's built-in paper trading account is perfect. I'll walk you through the process from inside the chart so everything is clear and straightforward. First, head over to the Tradingview website and open the superchart. Depending on your layout, you might simply see it labeled as chart in the top navigation. Click that to load the full featured charting workspace. Give it a moment to load and make sure you can see your main chart area with the toolbar on the left and the panels along the bottom. If your window is small, maximize it so the bottom bar is visible. Now look to the very bottom of the screen for the tabs. You should see options like Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and Trading Panel. Click the Trading Panel tab. If you don't immediately see it, try dragging the bottom edge of the chart upward to reveal more of the panel. The Trading Panel is where all broker connections and paper trading options live, so once it's open, you are in the right place. Inside the Trading Panel, find the tile labeled Paper Trading by Tradingview. This is Tradingview's own simulated trading environment and doesn't require linking a brokerage. Click on Paper Trading and then select Connect. This tells Tradingview you want to use the built-in demo account rather than a live broker connection. You'll notice the platform highlighting that this is a simulation, which is exactly what we want for practice. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Connect again in that prompt to set up your virtual account. No real funds are involved and you won't be placing live orders. After a brief moment, you'll see the account connect and your chart interface will update to show paper trading controls. Typically, you'll notice an order panel and an account selector indicating that you are connected to paper trading. That's your confirmation that the demo account has been added successfully. From here, you are ready to explore the tools and get comfortable with order placement, position tracking, and risk management in a risk-free environment. If a button says disconnect instead of connect, that simply means you are already connected to the paper account and you are good to go. And if the panel ever looks cramped, remember you can resize it so the controls are easier to see. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.